welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming a decorate with me of our office area in our home. Now, I rarely bring you guys into this space, and I thought it would be fun to film a dedicated video sharing with you how I style this space. We have two bookshelves in here, and I know that a lot of you have said you struggle with styling shelving, so I thought this would be a great idea to show you how I do that in our space. I hope that you guys are excited for this video. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. As always, I will have as much as I can linked in the description box down below, so if you see something in today's video that you like, make sure to check down there. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Getting this video started, the first thing I'm going to do is start by dusting all of our bookshelves in here and then wiping down my desk area to make sure we have a clean slate to start with. Once everything is wiped down, I'm going to vacuum our rug in here, and then I'm going to be using our uproot tool that I got from Amazon. I've talked a lot about this here on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram. I will have it linked for you in the description box down below if you are interested. It is great for pet owners. It helps get fur out of different areas of your home, especially area rugs. So again, if you are a pet owner, definitely check this out. It makes your life so much easier, and it's kind of disgusting but satisfying all at the same time how much hair does come up. A lot of the decor in here I've had for quite some time, but I definitely don't want to go out and buy all new decor for this room right now, so I'm just using mostly what I have on hand. This Colorado Springs map is from Mapiful, and if you didn't know, I do live here in Colorado. I am pretty much a native, and I love this state so much. When decorating bookshelves, I like to keep a few things in mind when styling. The first thing is to try to keep a color scheme going so that everything goes cohesively together. I also like to stagger different heights of items. So as you can see, I created almost like a triangle with those last two shelves so that the eye is drawn to that area. And again, using shorter pieces and taller pieces to really give that nice visual interest.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but
These bookshelves are from Target, and I don't know if they are available anymore, but if they are, I will have them linked down below for you. Now, some of these items are actually from my husband's previous house before we got married. Those books and that clock are from his house, so I try to incorporate some of his decor into our space as well.
Has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I know that I need a picture for this picture frame, which I will get here in the next coming weeks, but obviously did not have one for this video, so I just kept it blank. If you are wondering where my desk is from, I got it from IKEA and I've had it for close to 10 years and I absolutely love it. My husband just recently got the same desk. It is on the opposite wall of our office, has so much storage, and it has just worked really well for us. But that is going to conclude this office decorate with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I would love to hear what you think of it in the comments down below. If you are not already, please make sure to follow me over on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.